Okay, Algebra 1, here are some examples of what you're doing today. Remember, you are finding slope when you're given 2 points, and what you do is you always do the change in y, or the difference in your y's, over change in x. And so how you do that, let me write this down. Okay, we're going to find the difference of our y's, and so we look at our y's, which are -2 and 7. So to do the difference, I'm going to do -2 minus 7, and that equals, I can change that to plus and negative, that equals -9. And then I'm going to put that over the change in my x's. My x's are -3 and 5, so I want to know the difference there. I'm going to go in the same order and go -3 minus 5. Again, that's like saying plus and negative, and so I have -8. -9 over -8 would just change to +9 over 8 because the two negatives cancel out. Leave it improper because you are going to be using slope as improper fractions. On this next one, again, I'm going to do my change in y over my change in x. So I'm going to go, I'm going to start, whoops, hang on, fix this. I'm going to start with my y's. So I'm going to go -1 minus -2. So it would look like this, -1 minus -2. Make that a plus a positive. So now I have -1 plus 2, which is 1. That goes on top. And then the bottom would be 4 minus -3. So I do plus a positive, and I have 1 over 7. And that is the answer. Okay, here's another example. So we're going to do the y's first. I'm going to say 2 minus 4, and 2 minus 4 is -2. And put that over your x's, -3 minus -3. That would change to plus a positive, and we have -3 plus +3, which equals 0. And remember, anytime you have 0 on the bottom means we have an undefined slope or no slope. Okay, so you would just write undefined or no slope. You could write either thing. Okay, which means that that is a vertical line. Looking at the last one, I'm going to say my y's first, so -1 minus -1, which would change to plus a positive, and -1 plus 1 is 0, so I'd have a 0 on the top. On the bottom, I'm going to go 4 minus 3, which is 1, so I have 0 over 1, so I have 0 on the top, which is okay. So your slope equals 0, so you can write m equals 0 on that. That is all. If you guys have any questions, be sure to email me, and I will see you guys tomorrow.